Hey guys, this is Student Flaga, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make custom thumbnails for free using GIMP. So right here is GIMP. This is the program we're going to be using. So GIMP is an abbreviation for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is very similar to Photoshop. If you just want to download this program, actually, you can always stop watching the video. Just download this program and you can just follow any Photoshop tutorial. But if you decide to stick around for my tutorial, then that's cool. So the first thing you want to do is you have to download a GIMP, right? So over here is the website, www.gimp.org/download/. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to check that out down there. And you can get it for any operating system you're using. Right now I'm using Ubuntu, or Ubuntu, I don't know how you pronounce it. Forget, I don't know the pronunciation. You can just get it, I just got it on the little store we have, the software center. Settings, yeah. So you can get it for Windows, Mac, FreeBSD, like whatever. It's pretty much for everything. Anyway, so once you have it loaded up and installed, you go File, New, and 1280 by 720 pixels. That is the default basically for the YouTube thumbnails. It's also a very low form of HD. It's 720p. Might hurt, or I hear it as it's called whatever. Anyway, all right. So it doesn't normally happen. 1 second, I changed my background color. Okay, there you go. This is how it normally will look for you. Alright, so the first thing that you probably want to do for your thumbnail is get something for the background, right? So what you can do first of all is either look up something on the internet. For example, I don't know, let's look up Minecraft background. Right? Who knows? Or I guess Minecraft screenshot probably better, right? Of course, you can also use your own pictures or custom screenshots that you have or whatever you want, or even just take a screenshot of your recording of Minecraft and just use it like that. Whatever, doesn't really matter. I just use this one. This one looks, it looks kind of plain actually. We want something that looks kind of cool. Like this is a nice little build we'll use, and also just be aware that whoever owns this thing could possibly sue you because it's not yours. So make sure that you're using your own things. Generally, you want to be using your own stuff. Okay, that just fits perfectly. But if it doesn't fit, you can always just resize what it is. Oh yeah, and then this right here, this will lock it in. Because normally, right, you can just squish it up like this, which you normally don't really want, right? So if you do it with the lock, you can't squish it up really. It just sizes perfectly down like this, right? So it's all equally scaled. Anyways, so yeah, if it doesn't already fit like this one fits perfectly. You can just do that. So right, and then you can also just get any sort of file that you want to put on there. For example, if you want to get the Minecraft logo. If you want to have it to be, you see, okay, let's look at PNG. All right, so you see, you can see how. I'll show you. So, basically, with files, if they're generally if they're saved as a PNG, they can be saved with a transparent background, which on Chrome I think that means it has a little kind of tile symbol in the background. And you'd want to have that, right? So this is the original Minecraft logo we're using. Not original. This one, it just says original, so I just read it off there. It's not the original logo. The original logo is different, but this is just the whatever. Anyways, so so if it saves as a PNG or like you want to be a transparent image, you can just place it on top, right? If it's not a transparent image, then you'll have like a white background behind it or whatever it is, whatever type of background the picture has. I don't know. Just generally, it's a white background. Which you don't want. That makes it look gross. Anyway, so you can move this around, whatever you want. And then, if you want, you can also go to, if you don't have any fonts on your GIMP that are custom, you can look up a tutorial of how to put custom fonts on it. I'm not going to do that in this video. So, if you have some custom fonts, I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Just put some fonts, just put some text on. If you don't have that, go to cooltext.com. I just normally select Skate up there. And then you click on the font, capture it or whatever. Click on that, and then you can just for it. You can just, there's tons of categories for things. The one I generally use is I just go to games. I scroll down. You can see there's tons of fonts from Quake, Counter-Strike, StarCraft. I need like lots of text. Halo. So generally I use deluxe font. It's basically the same thing as press start, player 2, whatever font, player 1. Except it's kind of, the fonts are kind of closer than this one. The numbers are spaced closer. That's what it looks like to me, anyways. I don't know. Yeah. So you can just go in here and select it however you want. So say if you just want to keep it like this. No, I should show you how to do this. So say you want to select, oh, that's a nice color, and say you want to go, oh, that's a nice color, and say if you like this, right? We'll do a horizontal fade. So say if you like that, right? Because it looks kind of nice. You can just go over here, type in something you want. So say you want to write, I don't know, episode. Let's do episode number 1. Episode number 1, right? That's how you spell episode. So say if you want to start up, Minecraft Let's Play, you can change all the different things. This is the blur, heavy blur, no blur, whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it default, and again, make sure that it's a PNG transparent. So yeah, create logo, and then download image. Go in here, right? Put it wherever you want. But in the case that you do have custom fonts, you can also go down to your fonts, right? Select what you want. This is the Pokemon font right here. I also have what's it called? I have the font that the Game Grumps use actually on here as well. Where's that one? It's a custom one I installed recently. Oh, there we go. BD Cartoon. This is the font that the Game Grumps use. So, you just go over it like that. You can also go in here and go, I think I misspelled episode, but whatever. There we go, right? You can just put that like there, put it wherever you want, right? You can resize this as well, whatever tickles your fancy. So, delete. Yeah, so, next thing, say if you want to put your Minecraft character on there, or, this is turning into a Minecraft thumbnail tutorial, which I did not mean it to be. So you can just go open, and these are just some things I have on here. So, you can just select your thing from here, or you can just look at your Minecraft player on here, and do that. So, this is me as a villager apparently, but I didn't want to have my villager thing. I just want it to be normal. So after you select your guys, go to pose. You can select random pose. There are preset poses on here you can use, or you can just fiddle around with them down here and use that. So we'll just use this one, I think, just for it to be easy. So you can go hold right. You can put something in your right hand, like an axe, whatever. Hold left hand, glistening melon, whatever. I don't know. Again, you go to photo, which I'll show you how to use these things, I guess, down here. So say if you want to move your head, just drag that. It's kind of crappy. It's fine, but it's a bit crappy. So you want to make sure that just fiddle around with it if you want. Oh yeah, also sometimes if you're like kind of selecting it like this and you click photo, maybe they fixed it. There used to be a little grid thing on there, and your character when you're saving it here, sometimes you still had the grid lines that look like this. How to fix that is you just go around like here, just shake around a little bit until they're all gone, and carefully go back to photo and save it. Anyway, so if you want to put that on there, just easily just drag that in there. You can also just import it on there by going like file, open layers, and then put one on there. But that's way too long and annoying, and no one wants to do that. Yeah, so you can put your guy like that. Who knows, right? And there you go, right? And say if you want to put like, I don't know, do something else. Think for a second. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so I just thought of another thing that I would teach people if they want to do this. You go over here, this is the free select tool, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, free select. So say if you just want to get, I don't know, say you want to get your head over here, right? Mine's a little bit turned, so it's going to be a bit awkward. I'm not going to do a very good job with this. You can help me do a better job yourself. But there you go. I just selected my head right here with the free select tool, and you can just go Control X, and you'll cut your whole head out, which you don't want, right? So undo that. So I'm going to Control C, Control V. It'll copy your head over there, and you can just get another copy of it. Okay, we don't want that. So you can go over here also, add to new layer. Then you have another layer. You'll have a second layer of this. You can just slap that over there. I don't know. Just if you wanted to do this, I don't know if this video is going to be useful, but I'm sure it is if people just want to make simple little thumbnails. And if I helped you out, then please let me know if this was actually a useful video, because maybe I might do more tutorials. I don't know. I think this is pretty rambly and kind of gross, but it could be useful. I don't know. It doesn't have to look perfect. Just, And there you go. That's good enough. You can figure it out your own. It's not very hard to do. I'm not doing a very good job, clearly. It's bucket tool. The obvious things here. It's just a blend kind of tool you can use. I think this actually does a kind of a good job. This one, I think the difference between this one and this one is that this one actually is a bit more advanced. This one's very simple. Say if you want to blend the pink inside, you press the pink. I think. Is that what it is? I think so. Let's just do select none. No? Okay, it's weird. Okay. Anyways, yes, select the pink, and then you do this. It's being funny, but it normally works. That's about it, right? Say if you just want to be done, go export as, wherever you want to save it. I'm going to go desktop, and just call it thumbnail.jpg, right? Export it, and then you want to make the quality 100% for the best possible thing. And there you go. You have a thumbnail for a video if you wanted to do one, right? So, very simple. You can do this with whatever type of video you want to make. This applies to everything. Background, import thing. That basically it's just a few images slapped together with text. And if you wanted to, you can move things around like this. Rotate things. If you want to do something, just look it up. How do you do this on GIMP or how to do this in Photoshop? And there'll be other tutorials out there for you to do things. You can draw with this. Like you can also connect USB jogging tablets. I happen to have one I bought off Kijiji for like $30. Anyway, so yeah. And then if you actually want to. If you cannot get custom thumbnails and upload them on your videos, then there's two ways you can do that. The first way is I think if you have monetization. So if you're like part of a partnership with a partnership program and you get paid on YouTube and everything, you can upload custom thumbnails like that. But if you're a normal person like myself and you're like, what the hell, I don't want to do that, I just want to upload a custom thumbnail,